heading into transition. Morning, how you going?
Morning, how you going?
Good.
Full or half?
Full.
Done one before?
Yeah, it's number 15 here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Got your bags and everything with you, have you?
Got everything with me.
You got your bag, and then come in here, sir.
Oh, great. Thank you, sir.
What's your name, mate?
Stefan, and you're Alan.
Stefan, yeah. This is Stefan.
Hello.
This is number 15.
Hi, Ursula.
Ooh, welcome back. How are
Thank
you?
you. Good to be here.
5. So you know the ropes after 15?
Hopefully.
14?
Hopefully. You live around here?
No, I live in Tauranga.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, my husband used to do lots of them too. So.
What's he doing now?
He's 72, so.
Oh.
So we will go.
That would be me.
Now you will have to, you know how we have to rack them.
Yes.
Yeah. And the helmet goes back with you.
Okay. So I bring that with me in the morning?
In the morning, yeah. And
You need to see a chin strap or anything? Or
no,
Okay.
you can do it like this. It's fine. Good. Yep. And then drop your bags off. You have got your bags.
Got my bags in here, yes.
Cool.
Awesome.
Okay. Good luck.
Thanks, Ursula. Appreciate it. So, we are all set here. There your bike is set. Here is transition for the full. The half of 70.3 is over there. There you go. Let's keep going. There's another view of transition. This is going to be full. Looks like we're all the way up to 1242 here. There's the hundreds. Yeah, I'm not sure where the pros are going to be here, but so it looks like I'm on rack number 2. Portaloos. Cool. Good morning. How you going? I'm doing well, and you?
Good.
Cool.
You've come to bring your. Have you come to? Are you doing the Ironman?
Yeah,
Yes.
full bag. Yeah, putting the
So
bags.
you're putting your bags.
Correct.
Have you got your bags with you?
Got them with me in my backpack.
Okay, all good. Because so you know what you're doing. You've obviously been here before, have you?
Yeah, this will be number 15 here.
Yeah, number 15
So-
in New Zealand.
Cool.
So
Where
what number
where,
are you doing today? What number are you doing today?
257.
Oh,
And where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand. I'm from Taupo.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Where are you from?
We spend probably most of our time outside Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and then the winters over in Hawaii.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. That makes good sense.
But Taupo is awesome. We've got some friends here that we've been friends with. We've known them. I've known Mark and Sophie now for 19 years.
Do you want to check your bags just quickly here on the table to make sure you've got what you want? Or
Well, I got
not?
everything. I'm good.
So you know, because you know you can't come back into this area, don't you?
Yep.
Once you walk through here, he's done it 14 times here, darling.
Yeah, I'm good.
So once you've been through here, they don't let you in again till tomorrow.
257.
257.
Yep.
Yeah. He's an experienced man. He knows what he's doing.
Yeah, maybe. Or I don't. That's why I keep coming back.
I know. So you must go. It's right at the back over here.
Awesome possum.
Nice.
Cool.
Yeah, they've made it that you guys have to take responsibility for putting the bags on now. We used to, years ago, we used to put them out for you, but now it's no, it's need to.
Do we have wetsuit strippers, or do we have to take off our own wetsuits? You know?
I'm actually not 100% sure on it. I know we used to do it, and then I got told one year we were told we were not allowed to do it, and that people had to take responsibility for putting their own stuff in their own bag, whereas we used to years ago put the stuff in the bags. Do you want me to find that out for you now? Because I can see the man I could go and ask.
If you could, that'd be awesome. Thank you.
So you've got your run number.
Yep. Yep.
You don't need it for your bike.
Nope. Nope. You're not. You don't have to wear them here for the bike.
We always have always volunteers.
And there's the run bag.
You're taking that with you.
Yep.
Awesome. Where do we go now?
Don't go in there.
Oh, that's a lot more fun. The women's change tent. And where are you from?
From here, I'm in local.
Tempo? Cool.
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, no, you're fine.
Come in.
Come on out. Moving the tables.
You know, so I've been volunteering over 18 years.
Wow, appreciate that. So I was trying to think. My first year here in Taupo was 2007. So you've been volunteering since 2008.
Yeah, something like that.
Cool.
My son did it. In the second year I volunteered.
Nice.
He was 19 and he's now 37.
Wow. Is he still doing it?
No, he hasn't done the Ironman for a while.
All right. So rack number one.
Over there,
Yep.
you'll be coming in from the swim.
Yep.
And again, you've got the women's changing area to avoid.
We're gonna avoid that.
Yeah, you don't want to go into the women's changing room. So the answer to your question is, there's not a specific person who's going to do it, but when you get into the changing rooms, if you need help, there will be people in there. So unofficially, if there's someone there, you can say, can you help me get my wetsuit off or whatever.
Awesome. Appreciate
Okay?
that.
That's unofficially.
Got it.
If that makes sense.
Nope, that does
Yeah.
make sense.
Yeah. But there won't be, like in the old days, you used to have people
Does-
all over, people
yeah.
helping lots. But there will be definitely people in the men's changing room
Got
that
it.
will help you.
Awesome.
So you're popping yours up there.
Yep, thanks,
so
Sharon.
There's nothing you...
Nope, well, we're good here.
Just get your bracelet, climbing bracelet.
Let's see. Double check. Got my race suit. That is facing the correct direction. Glasses gel.
No, we don't.
Arm warmers if we need them.
So basically anything that you want in there is just what you want to have tomorrow.
Yep.
Last year we had a couple of people with medication and things and they suddenly went, oh, I want this and that.
Yep. All set. And out of the change tent. There you go. That's what that looks like. Awesome. Thanks, Mike.
You got your timing bracelet.
Cool. Cool. Appreciate that. Have a great day.
Number 2. So you know you're number 1 and you're on the left or the right?
On the left. Thanks, Sharon.
Perfect.
Appreciate it. And then this is on the way in from the swim. There's the volunteer food tent, information. There's some course maps. And so this is the way in from the swim. Going to pick up the race belt. Morning. How you going?
Good.
You're good?
Right. Let's have a look at your race number.
257.
Stephen Brock.
That's me.
Right. 1968.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. And you are done. There we go. Left leg so it doesn't interfere with your bike computer.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Have a fabulous event.
Thanks. Have a great day. Thanks. Appreciate that. Hey, morning. So, all set. So this is what it looks like coming in the morning. Running through into the transition zone. Cool.
Where are you?
People Chicken is in town at Tongariro Domain, so the finish line is here.
And we'll go ahead and walk over to the bridge that we run over in the morning. Go check that out.
Would you like me to take up here again?
And by the way, this is the run in, so this is where you have the map I'm walking on right now. So I think they're putting the carpet up. They probably don't want us to walk up there, but that's what the little bridge is that we run over Lakeshore on. And the reason they do this is because the runners go underneath here on Lakeshore. There you go. This is where we run up the bridge, up and over into transition. So we'll know what that looks like. We'll just do a quick 360. People coming in this morning. And we will go ahead and finish this off with a look down at the swim course because the buoys are all out. It's a little windy right now because it's a little after 10 in the morning here. So we're just walking down to the swim course now. We'll see where we end up running up. So it looks like this is going to be the run up. It's actually pretty steep. So we're just doing this in reverse of what we're going to see tomorrow morning. So this is the swim out. So this is where we come in. try to keep my toes here. So we swim out here. Looks like that's going to be the start right there. This is actually going to, this is the only mass start Ironman left in the world. So we start out there, head out here on the side of the shore. So we're swimming clockwise. You can see out there to that yellow buoy, turn to the red, and then back. So we follow the yellows out and the red back. Over here for the full, there you go, where the boat's heading by there. There's that red buoy all the way down here. And you can see the turn. You got the red buoy and turn to the yellow. And from yellow all the way back here. Back to the yellow buoy right there, and then turn into here. And then that should do it. So anyway, that is the preview through transition and the swim start. All good.